Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, student.
Hi, Hitendra. Hi, sir.
Wow. I'm making friends even in this online session. It was so good of you children. So nice. I'm also making many new
Thank
friends
you,
in
ma'am.
online sessions.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Hetu. Please turn on your videos. Simha, Sai, Rohit. Please turn on your videos.
Hi, friends. No కనపడుతున్నారా సుమో
Start speaking.
ma'am.
Okay, good morning, children. Okay, children, yesterday we have completed the topic of migration, right? Migration means it's the seasonal movements of a bird animal from one place to another place is called a migration. And we have some examples also like the dragonflies, monarch butterflies, African elephants and salmon fish. salmon fish. These are the 4 examples of migration they have given for us children. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Um, breathing process in animals. Breathing process in animals. Okay. Sai Rohit. Okay, good. Here comes. The organs that carry out exchange of gases as well as we breathe are called as a respiratory organs. For each and everything in our body, children, we use our organs, right? For holding a mobile, you use your hands. Yes? For writing, you use your hands. To see my screen, you use your eyes. To hear my voice, you use your ears. For each and everything, you use your body accordingly. Yes or no? Similarly, a breathing also, children, breathing also. We inhale and exhale, no? You know, we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So for that process, what are all the organs we use? Those are all combinedly called as respiratory organs. Respiratory organs. Okay, respiratory, respiratory organs. Next, all the animals breathe in oxygen to survive. Oxygen helps to change digested food into energy. See, children. Haha, my dear Sai Rohit is arguing with someone, getting very angry. Why, my dear? Okay. Here, all the animals and birds, we intake oxygen, children. We intake oxygen. Only plants will intake carbon dioxide, and animals and birds will intake oxygen. Okay, we have known about that cycle. We intake oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The opposite will be done by plants. Plants intake carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So that is also we are here selfish. Why we are going more plants? Because we need oxygen, no? Always humans are being very selfish, na? Yes, even though we have to plant, we have to have many plantations, children. Sai, I'll share it. You should not write it while the class is going on. I'll share the pics today, okay? Okay. Oxygen helps to change the digested food into energy. Whatever the food we eat, children, it will get digested inside the stomach. Yes or no? Inside the stomach or intestinal part, it will get digested. The oxygen helps our digested food to be as digested food to be converted into energy. Digested food to be converted into energy with the help of oxygen. Oxygen. Okay. Okay. During this process, carbon dioxide gas is released. Since carbon dioxide gas is not needed by the body, what our body does, children, whatever it is unnecessary for our body, it will simply throw out through various ways. Yes or not? If you have any doubts, children, please comment in the chat box. Okay, your mute option is won't be disabled. Okay, the waste product, the leftover thing is carbon dioxide and it will be released out. It is breathed out or exhaled. The releasing process of carbon dioxide is called exhalation. E-X-H-A-L-E, exhale. Different animals breathe in different ways. See, children, we humans have a nose to breathe. But coming to all animals possess nose, children. Shravani, please concentrate on class, my dear. Okay, do all animals have nose like us, children? No. All animals won't possess nose and all the respiratory organs a human have. So different animals will have different ways of breathing. Let's know about it, children. And land animals directly breathe in or inhale oxygen present in the atmosphere. Aquatic animals breathe in oxygen which is dissolved in water. You all children will be getting a one doubt. Yes, madam, of course we all don't have a nose. Even though we breathe, inhale, we should not say breathe in and breathe out, children. You have to learn and replace the terminology inhale and exhale. Now it is a COVID time, Corona time. Many of you might be doing the breathing exercises, right? You have to do. It is a good thing to do in this situation. A breathing exercise is mostly useful for you. At the time, don't say breathe in and breathe out. Just say inhale and exhale because these are the new terminology you're getting. While you use it, it'll be easy for you. I-N-H-A-L-E, inhale, E-X-H-A-L-E, exhale. Okay, we directly take the oxygen, whatever the gas is available, we directly breathe in and breathe out. But what about aquatic animals? Aquatic is nothing but, children, animals which aqua means water. The meaning of aqua is water. Aquatic animals means animals which live or related to water. Animals which live or related to water. Lakshmi Pranati, hi. She's suffering from something. Okay. Then what about aquatic animals? They don't have any air under the water. Deep inside the sea, there will be air, children? No, everything will be covered with water. So how they'll breathe? They'll breathe the dissolved oxygen. Oxygen is also dissolved in water. They will breathe the oxygen which is dissolved in water, children. Okay? Still now in one paragraph, you have any doubts, children? The first paragraph, do you have any doubts? If you don't have any doubts, let's move how they breathe. Okay, no doubts, Hitu, good. Okay, let's see the breathing process in insects. Remember, children, only plants will be taking carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen out, but coming to all animals, birds and everything, they just intake oxygen and release carbon dioxide. They just release carbon dioxide out. Let's see how the breathing process will take place in insects. That is the first topic in this, children. Most insects breathe passively through special openings on their bodies called spiracles. Spiracles. Amreen, sit properly. Vasuki, turn on your video. Vasuki, Shravani, the remaining students, please turn on your videos. Sandeep, Bhavna, Deepika, Pavan Kumar, Mahesh, Simha, please turn on your videos. Okay. Here, children, if you observe this insects, it is a grasshopper which has been given here. If you observe these children, you can see spiracles all over the body. It will have a small pores, very small pores, children. Those are actually called as spiracles. Spiracles, spiracles, children. With the help of these spiracles only, they will breathe in and breathe out, means inhale and exhale. The air reaches inside the body by a series of small pipes called as trachea. 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 Okay, the gases which are, I mean the oxygen which is going through that is with spiracles, and that reaches inside the body with a series of small pipe-like structures called as trachea. These are to the respiratory organs belong to insects. There are two respiratory organs, children, which belongs to insects. Okay, is it clear, children? See, for example, our human beings, children, we have many respiratory organs like nose, nostrils, nose, lungs. Yes or no? We have these organs actually. But coming to insect, children, they have spiracles and trachea. Pronounce along with me, children. Spiracles and trachea. Spiracles and trachea. Good. Next, coming to the breathing process in a fish. This is really tough. Just now I told aquatic animals breathe in the oxygen which is dissolved in water. The oxygen is actually dissolved in water. The aquatic animals breathe that dissolved oxygen because there is no air underwater. So they'll breathe the dissolved oxygen. Fish breathe through gills. If you observe a fish, children, you may all have a idea about fish. There is openings like this. At the face of the fish, there will be two to three openings like this. These openings are called gills. Gills, gills, children. A fish breathes by taking water into its mouth and forcing it out through gills passage. All the water passes over the thin walls of the gills. Dissolved oxygen moves into the blood and travels to the different organs of fish. See, children, how it respirates means it will take all the water inside its mouth. Okay, all the water. Actually, everything is surrounded by a water for a fish, isn't it? It takes the entire water into its mouth and forcefully pushes the water outside from the gills. These gills help the fish to push the water outside. Okay. The water which is intaken by the fish is forcefully pushed out by the gills. Then the gills here acts as a filters and filters only the oxygen present inside water. The oxygen is sent into the body and the remaining water is flushed out. Okay, the oxygen is sent into the body through blood and the remaining water is sent outside. They are pushed outside. In this way, the fish breathes. A fish breathes, children. Now, coming to the breathing in amphibians. Amphibians, children, they can live both in land as well as water. Yes, you know about amphibians. We spoke it in the aspect of reptiles. We spoke about it. So amphibians can live in water as well as on the land. It lives both on water and land. The adult amphibians can breathe through lungs and their skin, whereas their babies live in water and breathe through gills. See children, these amphibians, adult means bigger ones, grown up amphibian. Like a frog, which is when it is small, it doesn't have legs and arms. It has only tail. But when it has grown up, it has both forelimbs and hind limbs. Yes or no? So when a grown up amphibian just breathe with the help of skin and lungs. Skin and lungs. But a baby amphibians, but when they are just small, babies, they breathe with the help of gills. As such, a fish breathe. As such, a fish breathe. Usually fish breathe with the help of gills, na? In the same process, a baby amphibians also breathe through the gills, and the adult one, which is a grown up amphibians, will breathe with their skin. How they'll breathe with their skin, ma'am? Similarly, insect will have spiracles, no? These amphibians also will have a small pores on their body. With the help of a skin, they'll intake the oxygen and supplies to their lungs, children. Okay, Hitu, is it okay? Hitendra, Shravani? Isn't it clear, children? Okay, let's move on to the next page, children. Breathing in reptiles. A lot of reptiles live on land, but some of them also live in water. These are also the animals which live on both land and water, children. I told the feeding and non-feeding animals, those are separated as reptiles and amphibians. So they breathe through lungs, but crocodiles doesn't have a gills. So they breathe by raising their head above the surface of water. Wow, here is an interesting thing, children. As you all children love to know the interesting facts, no? You always watch in the mobiles also. What are the interesting facts? How animals live, see how they swim, how the texture is there. You all are very interested to know about these things. But coming children, most of them breathe with lungs. But a fish, I mean a crocodile, it doesn't have gills, children. It doesn't possess any gills. So how can a crocodile breathe? That's why for the breathing purpose only, crocodiles come to upper surface of water. You can see whenever the crocodile is inside the water, you can see the head part, right? In the cartoons also, you'll see the head part. It will put its head outside and speak to others. Yes, like that, with the help of its head raising up to the water surface, it will breathe. It will breathe. Till now, you have any doubts, children? Till now, if you have any doubts, children? Okay, in the topic covered so far, please note down the hard words, my dear. Please note down the hard words till now, children, the topic covered. Pick your pencils and ready for underlining. Who doesn't possess textbooks, please make a note of them. So the first, let's see the hard words from breathing process in animals. Breathing process in animals. Organs. Organs. Exchange. Exchange. Gases. Breathe. Breathe. Respiratory. Respiratory. Survive. Survive. Digested. Digested. Released. Released. Oxygen. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Inhale. Exhale. Atmosphere. Aquatic. Aquatic. Dissolved. Now breathing in insects. Now breathing in insects, children, passively. Passively. Spiracles. Spiracles. Reaches. Trachea. Trachea. Next, breathing in fishes. Breathing in fishes, children. Gills. Gills. Enable. Enable. Forcing. Forcing. Passages. Passages. Next, coming to breathing in amphibians, children. Breathing in amphibians. Amphibians. Adult. Adult. Lungs. Babies. Now coming to breathing in reptiles. Breathing in reptiles, reptiles, reptiles. That's it, children. These are the hard words you have in the topic we covered today. And today's home task, children, I'd like to give you this segment, checkpoint 1. You have to write whether these statements are true or false also. Okay. Isn't it clear or still any doubts, children? Okay. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.